Hey everyone, hope you guys are all having a great day. So I'm making a new channel right now. It's going to be just about options and breakouts and those types of things. Uh, I'm thinking of keeping like one of my channels mostly to streaming and one of my this new channel for published videos. So if I ever have a video that's like, hey, here's some technical analysis on Bitcoin, Tesla, whatever that may be, that's how I'm gonna kind of separate them out. One will have shorts as well too pretty soon. But yeah, so if you guys could do me a huge favor, you guys don't have to. This is if you guys want some daily technical analysis videos coming out. If you guys could just search stocks on YouTube right here, then go down to last hour, and then go to upload date, and you'll see one of my videos right here. I just posted it. Of course, I have no subscribers on this channel, so if you guys could click on the video, watch it. There's no ads on this channel as well because it's a new one, and just give it a thumbs up. And if you guys can, please consider subscribing to the video. It would help out the channel a lot. Then hit this little bell button if you guys do want to see some of these, these updates. Today I broke down about 4 or 5 different options plays I could break out today. That's about it, guys. If you guys could really help me out, I'd really appreciate it. I'm going to try to keep these things separate because I don't think streaming videos work well with the published videos on my channel. So I'm going to try to get more awareness on my published videos, but keep on doing the same amount of work streaming. But just instead of publishing my videos onto the main channel, I'm going to start publishing them here. So I want to make sure you guys also know what's going on. Thanks, everybody, and have a great rest of your day.